Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a dish using flattened rice. That is aval in Tamil, avalakki in Kannada, chivda in Hindi. I have taken 1 bowl of flattened rice, turmeric, mustard and cumin seeds, urad dal and chana dal, peanuts, tamarind water 1 bowl, curry leaves and red chilies, salt according to taste, jaggery 1 spoon. This is rasam powder. I am using rasam powder. If you don't have rasam powder, you can also use sambar powder also, but it gives more taste. Then 1 bowl of coconut, freshly grated coconut, water as it requires, oil. Now first we have to make rava in this aval. I have to make the rava. Take a mixer jar, put it in the mixer grinder. I have cleaned it and kept it. Now I will make it rava and show. Now I have make it into rava. Now I will measure this in this cup so that it will be easy to measure the water also. Two, 3 cups of rava has come. Now switch on the stove. Take a kadai, let it get heated. Now the kadai is heated, add oil to it, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, let it get heated, check it with some mustard seeds, take hing, add a little bit. Sorry, I forgot to mention this ingredient, hing, in the ingredients. Now add this. Next mustard and jeera seeds. Then peanuts. Let it cook. Then we will add the other ingredients. Now add chana and urad dal. Now add curry leaves, red chili powder. Now at this stage add rasam powder. You better at this stage switch off the stove or rasam powder will burn. So switch off the stove, add rasam powder according to your taste. I am adding 4 spoons of rasam powder and mix it in the with the other ingredients. Now immediately add the freshly grated coconut. Now then mix. Now again switch on the stove. Keep it the kadai. Fry it on a low flame for few seconds. Mix it thoroughly. Once all the ingredients get mixed well, then time to add 1 cup of tamarind water. Now time to add required amount of water. This flattened rice rava is 3 cups. You have to add 1:2, that is 6 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now you add required amount of salt to this itself. Now let it get boiled, then we will add the rava of the flattened rice. At this stage, you just take some water, first mix well, then take some water and taste it. If you want more salt or rasam powder, anything, you can adjust. While boiling, we will add the jaggery. Now it started boiling, time to add jaggery. Mix well. Now keep the flame on a low one. Then start adding flattened rice. Now time to add flattened rice. Slowly you keep adding and stirring. Now I have added all the flattened rice to the water, mixed well. Now let it cook on a low flame for a few seconds. I will close the lid. Now after a few seconds, the flattened rice will absorb almost all the water. Mix once. Mix it thoroughly. Then close the lid and let it cook for a few seconds. Then switch off the stove. Now the gojjavalakki is ready to serve. One tip I want to give you here. After cooking the flattened rice, don't serve immediately. Let it be on stove for 10 minutes. Switch off the stove and leave it for 10 minutes. Then only all the ingredients aroma will mix and it will taste very nice. In Karnataka, this dish is called gojjavalakki. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.